are in London today at Wellington Engineering Co Ltd, and I'm joined by the owner. Now, Daimon, what a fantastic company that you have here today. We've been privileged to be invited here on behalf of ETL Fluid Experts. But firstly, can you tell me about the company and how it started?
Yes, definitely, yeah. So Wellington Engineering grew up in the 90s, founded by my father. I joined the company in the late 90s, and we've taken it up to create this 20,000 square foot factory now. Moving into different markets, do a lot of aerospace work now, oil and gas, cryogenics and medical. Like most companies, we're trying to look at batch work and lights out packaging to keep us competitive in the marketplace. And we're standing now in our Integrex cell here, which you'll notice is running lights out and stuff. So yeah, we're just trying to take it up to the next level.
It's extremely impressive. We cover the length and breadth of the UK visiting engineering companies. You don't see many companies of this size in London.
No, I'll take that as a compliment, thank you. Listen, at the end of the day, I run the company, but my staff, my support staff, our customer base have helped create this. We're a very proactive company. We don't just niche ourselves to certain markets, we try and expand, and we're always looking to invest. Hopefully we can demonstrate that today with what you've seen, and that's what keeps us in the marketplace.
So investing in the latest technology, is it safe to say that that's the secret to success? No matter what's going on around you?
Yeah, of course it is. Unfortunately, we are still subcontractors. We rely on customer orders, so you can never be in a comfort zone. We're always looking to improve techniques. I've got some more lights out packages coming on these machines in the next couple of weeks. But beyond that, even down to things like our tooling, our fluids, we're always trying to make a saving there, and we do pass that back to our customers.
Now, we're here on behalf of ETL, and you just mentioned fluids. Now, how important is this element to the complete process?
From my point of view, it never used to be that important until we had problems with it, and that's when I get to hear about it. And a couple of years ago, I was hearing about problems, machine downtime, things were happening. Our new head of operations, a guy called Manny Cross, he brought in ETL from his previous life, and I have to say, no news is good news to me, but when I've looked at some of the performances of the machines, the sump life, the surface finish on the machines, the lack of bacteria, the human compatibility, it's been a great match for us together with ETL.
So ultimately, is it safe to say it's making you more efficient and more productive and more profitability for you as a company?
Ultimately, that's what we're looking for, and I have to say I've had less problems means less downtime does mean more profit. So yes, can I quantify it into numbers? Probably not, but has it helped us? Yes, it has.
And what about the service? You know, ETL Fluid Experts work a little bit differently to other suppliers of coolant. What has the service been like?
To be honest, it's been absolutely brilliant. I had a problem the other Saturday. Matt, our contact, he came in Saturday morning within 2 hours. That's just a one-off occasion. The way I look at it, at the end of the day, there's a lot of people who can do a lot of things out there. Support and service to a business this size is what makes us tick. And that's what we get from ETL. And I can honestly say that from the bottom of my heart, they have been an excellent supplier, and their support backup is second to none to what I've known in the chemical industry.